Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today here in my Qwest showroom. What you see behind me here is Qwest's 816 Lanai. It's 16 foot long, it's 8 wide, and it's a nice silver and black package. Really sharp looking boat and super trailerable. If you're into checking out all of Ohio's inland waterways, these 16 footers are a really great choice for you. Why don't you come on board and take a look at the rest of the boat with me. So first thing we notice, we do have really nice matching seats for the exterior and lots of storage space right underneath each and every one of these seats. As we work ourselves a little further back, we'll get to the Bluetooth stereo system, the nice comfortable steering wheel here, and your RAM mount cell phone holder. So while you're out there cruising, nice place to keep your phone, keep track of where you're at, anything like that. As we move a little further to the back, we do have this cool Lanai bench, which also offers a ton of storage underneath it. This is a great place to, if you're going to sit out, throw a line out, if you want the grandkids to dry off before they get in the boat, get the rest of the seats done. Really great options back here. With any boat we sell, we're going to offer interstate delivery, on-water lesson, a full mooring cover, and all the safety equipment you're going to need for your day on the lake. And we're also going to handle all those titling and registration needs. If you think this is the boat for you, give us a call at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.